Okay, here we are, 18 months in, and a quick update on the Blink video doorbell. Okay, so 18 months, or probably about 17 months actually if I'm being exact, we've had the Blink video doorbell and we've got problems. So I thought it was only right. I've done videos on it before saying how good it is, the installation video, etc. Which it has been really good, really easy to use, and I've no problems. But over the last month or so, I've noticed that water's managed to get inside the actual camera. So I'll put a video on here just to show you how blurry it's got. So it's almost, well it is, it's unusable to be honest with you. You can't really see anything during the day when someone comes to the doorbell. So it's kind of pointless, it doesn't work. So June 2022 I got this doorbell. I'll put a link up here somewhere on the installation we did. I'd highly recommend it. I've recommended it to friends and family. People have got it on my recommendation. They haven't had problems. So I'll show a shot of where it is, or where it was, because I've taken it off, on the porch outside. So I'm just not sure if it's obviously got too much water on it, or if there actually is a fault with this hardware. So I loaded it with Amazon. Not really expecting anything to come. I thought I would have to buy another one, but they did accept it and they are allowing me to return the device and doing a full refund. So when I bought it, it was £50, $49.99. It has actually gone up in price now, so I'm gonna have to pay a little bit more. But Amazon Prime Day, or the Black Friday, sorry, is on its way. So I'm hoping I can get it reduced at Black Friday. So really, I was only using this video just to show you the problem, which I will show on screen again now, I think, when I edit this video. I just wanted to show as well on the actual app about removing the video doorbell, because obviously this has got my information stored on this. So what we'll do is I'll jump onto my phone now and just step through removing the device from the Blink application. So I'll show that now. Okay, so I'm just on my mobile phone. I'm going to go into the Blink application. And you'll see on my sync module, I have this linked up to a sync module. I do have the video doorbell somewhere. Houston doorbell. So I've got it here. So I'm going to go into the settings, general settings, and I'm going to delete the device. Delete it successfully. So that now has been removed from there. What I'm also going to do, there is a button on the back of there. I'm going to press and hold that button on the back. It's a reset button. And that is now going to a flashing state, so that is reset. So hopefully that is all I need to do. So what I'll do is I'll just show you the footage of the doorbell outside as well. So that's the device reset. It had the blinking light. I'm going to take the batteries out of here, out of the back as well. So that now is totally disconnected. It's been reset, disconnected from my Blink application, so it's now fine to send back. So I will package it up now, send it back, show you the new device as it comes, when it comes. I don't think it'll be different. I don't think they've upgraded the hardware, anything like that. But then I'll just show you how easy it is to reinstall the device. I've not taken the back plate off off our porch, so it should just be a case of opening a new one, reconnecting it to the Wi-Fi or the Blink module, and then reinstalling it on the porch. Okay, so it's a few days later. I thought it'd be a lot longer. So my plan was, it was 10th of November, the first part of this video, and today is the 16th. 15th. Today's the 15th of November. So I was going to wait for Black Friday on Amazon to hopefully get the doorbell reduced. Amazon are currently doing a pre-prime sale, I think. So I managed to get the doorbell for $34.99. So $34.99. I've got the Echo Pop here as well. So they were doing a deal as well. For an extra £5, you get the Echo Pop included. So for £40, I got the Blink doorbell and the Echo Pop. We'll be doing a different video on that. It's been a while since I got a small format Echo device. So I've got a lot of the Echo Dots previously, probably about 5 or 6 around the house. So I'll replace one of those and do a comparison video with that. Anyway, today's video is about the Blink video doorbell. So what we'll do is, I'm going to unbox it. I'll do a quick time lapse of the unbox. I think it's nothing hopefully different to the original video doorbell. So we'll check it out, make sure the hardware is exactly the same, quickly go through the setup process and get it installed. That should be it. So I just want to check and just show you a comparison from kind of 18 months ago to now, just to see if the hardware is exactly the same and whether I can just put this doorbell onto the existing backplate that I've got on the porch. So hopefully it's exactly the same. If not, it might be a good thing because it might be improved, but we'll see. So I'll get this open, have a look and see if there's any changes. Okay, unboxing done. It's exactly the same. It looks exactly the same, to be honest with you. I can't see any differences at all. The back plate's the same. I've just checked outside. It's the same. So it should just be able to hook this straight onto that original back plate. Hopefully, comes with everything you need as usual. It comes with mounting screws, mounting plugs, battery. You can wire this. This can be hooked up to a wired system, so it comes with the little attachments to do that. Ours is just battery powered. So what I'll do is I'll step through the process now. So we'll get my phone going as well, because I'll do it all live and I'll set it up in the Blink application. So just to confirm, I'm connecting this to a Blink module, a V2 module, so it'll just go on the same module I was on before. So let me just get my screen recording going on my phone and we'll do the setup process, hopefully in a couple of minutes. So let me start the recording on my phone. We're already in the Blink application there. So what we'll do, first of all, got the back plate, button there, opens that up. It comes with the included batteries. It does say on there it's lithium batteries only. So that's one thing to look for if you're replacing. And that will affect your electronics if you don't do that properly. So they're in the right way. I feel like the battery compartment's slightly different actually. I think it was a different fitting in there. But that's just something very minor. And then we will push that back in and close that shut. So that's flashing now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the Blink application. You can hopefully see there. I'm in my the module here that I'm using, which is my indoor extension module. So I'm going to simply click on the plus icon in there, Blink video doorbell, and then on the phone here you can see I've got the camera open. I need to scan the QR code on the back of there. So I'm going to do it to my Houston indoor extension, just for where the module is placed. Continue. Continue. I've already inserted the batteries. It's blinking red. And we'll give this a second. So it's totally real time. Fingers crossed it works. Just show you how easy it is to set up these devices. Obviously, if you were setting it up with a module for the first time, it's slightly different. But if you're adding it to an existing module, then you should be fine. Right, so on the screen it's saying updated firmware. It'll take a few minutes. So it's obviously found it. I've got the pop-up from the Amazon Alexa application. So that has detected it automatically in there as well. So you don't even have to add it into the Amazon ecosystem. It's done that for you if you've got that set up. So fingers crossed, this won't take too long. Just to confirm as well, while we're waiting for the firmware to update, it does state on the back it's IP54 rated. So IP54 rated should be fine. You've got that kind of for outdoor lighting, things like that. So brick lights, the LED pole lights or the floodlights that's on the pole. So IP54 should be fine. So I'm not sure how water has ingressed or got into the camera, because it definitely was fogged up and there was moisture inside the camera. So it's on a porch, water blows at it, but that's kind of what IP54 rating's for kind of splashing or splashing of water on outdoor devices. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. So it's now worked in the application. It's asking me if I want to mount the doorbell, so I'm going to go mount the doorbell. So I'll take this outside. It is raining, so I'll just do a little time lapse outside just to show you it being fitted, and then we'll come back to the table to continue the rest of the setup. Okay, the weather we're discussing out there, so I've just did a really quick video just showing it clip on, and it did. So the mounting plate or mounting bracket, whatever you want to call it, is exactly the same. So it clipped on absolutely fine. So they've not changed any fundamental designs or anything like that. So back into the application. So we will jump back in here now. So we're back to the point where in the setup process it was telling me to mount it to the actual backplate. So we'll continue there. Installation complete. I don't want the Blink Plus trial. So you can see there at the moment I've got a blank kind of window within the application for the doorbell. I'm going to do a new snapshot, pressing that button there. So I'll bring a new snapshot into the application and shows what's going on. Fingers crossed it works. Usually takes a few seconds, maybe 10 seconds. And then what we'll do is, there we go, yeah. So compared to the previous view, which I showed earlier in the video, that's kind of crystal clear now. So what I'll do if you want is I'll do a quick live view so we can see it live. So you can see that in the application. There we go. That's much better. I can actually see people at the doorbell now, which will be great. So there we go, so that's working fine. So all set up, really easy to do. All I'm going to do now is go into the settings of this, into the general settings, name, and I'm going to call it Houston's doorbell. Connection to Wi-Fi, connection to sync module, you can see they're absolutely spot on, no problems whatsoever. So we'll save that now. Houston's doorbell saved. So only other thing I'll do, if I jump into the Amazon application, and you'll see that the doorbell there is automatically connected. So I click on there, it's now updated the name as well to the Houston's doorbell. So now I've got control of it in there. I did a previous video which I'll link up here somewhere regarding connecting it to the Echo Show devices. So if someone presses the doorbell, you can have it shown on your Echo Show automatically. It does take a little bit of tweaking to get that set up, but I've done some videos and there's plenty of questions and answers below those videos explaining what to do. Again, if you've got any questions about that, drop them in this video, I can answer them there as well, not a problem. So yeah, all really easy to do, all set up, ready to go. Okay, all done and dusted now in this video, really quick video just to show you that kind of process from a broken Blink to contacting Amazon, to that really good customer service from Amazon, to be fair, refunding the money back to me, and then purchasing the new video doorbell. So as I mentioned, much earlier than I expected. I was expecting to wait till Black Friday, but as I looked just now, the offer is still there. So hopefully I'll get this video out in the next couple of days and the video and the offer will still be there for the video doorbell. If not, I think it will continue, to be honest with you, till Black Friday. The Blink devices and the Ring devices, kind of the Amazon enabled devices, usually get some form of discount. Perhaps not the newest ones, but the majority of them will get some form of discount, or certainly a good bulk of them. So keep an eye out on Amazon now and Black Friday time if you wanted one of these. I would try and get it with discount, because there's that many discounts in the year. It kind of be silly not to get it on discount. I made that mistake originally. I bought it when it first came out because I was so keen to get the doorbell. So I paid full price. I paid the £50 originally, so £60 currently for full price. So yeah, so hopefully it's been informative. Hopefully it's shown you kind of real life what can happen with these devices. I know it's an 18 months since I had the device, since I did the setup. So I wanted to show you that things don't always go right, things do break, and kind of, if you do reach out to Amazon, Amazon are really good generally in terms of supporting you, in terms of refunds or replacement of devices. So it just shows you, even if I thought I wouldn't get a refund, I'll be honest with you, with it being 18 months on, but I did. It was a fault with the device, and Amazon refunded me, so I can't complain really. So yeah, if it's been informative, if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike, let me know in the comment section why. As I previously mentioned, if you've got any questions at all about the video doorbell, something I've not covered, if you've got a burning question about its usability, how to set it up, etc., please do drop comments into that questions into that comment section. I will reply to all questions in there. If you want to follow the Houston DIY journey along for more product reviews on the Blink devices, I've got the Echo Pot one coming pretty soon, and we've got tons already on the channel. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.